Hi guys, so now we can see the analysis of some index and stocks of right now. We can see the Dow Jones. You can see here on Friday what happened, and on Thursday also you can see that this is the first time it came. Second time, I have always tell you, third time it will definitely break. You can see that definitely it's gonna break, and one-sided momentum has been given. Okay guys, after that on Friday you can see that it's open a slightly gap down only. After that it goes upside momentum. After this is on Friday's low has been broken. You can see that how nice it can came downside right now. Okay guys, now for today we can see here, you can see here, this is the one of the major supporting areas right now act as for us. So if it will came upside momentum, okay guys, so just I will see here. So if it will came upside or a gap up open, after that here it will take support, then you can go for your first target guys. This will be your second target, this will be your third target, and this will be your fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see for downside momentum too guys. If it will take resistance somewhere here and came, our first target will be here guys, second, third, and fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the target for Dow Jones. We can see for NASDAQ also. NASDAQ also, what I have to tell you is that this is, here is the one trend line on Thursday. You can see here, this is the trend line. After this is broken, you can see that one-sided momentum. After that it came, this is the yes, on Friday's low. After this Friday's low has been broken, you have to buy here, and your SL will be somewhere here only. You can see that one-sided momentum has been, you have been got. Okay guys, so we can expect as this will be act as resistance for us today. Okay guys, from here only you can see that consolidate and broken. So what we can do is that if it will break came, then our first target will be this guys, second target, third, and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the upside momentum target. We can see for downside momentum also. Here it will take resistance, our first target, second, third, and you can go for fourth target. Okay guys, you have to book your minimum profit 70 to 80% at second target only guys, because this is the ideology, because we do not want to lose anything. So we have to book our 70 to 80% at second target, and rest you can go for third and fourth target too. Okay guys, we can see for Russell 3000, Russell 3000 also like that only guys. I don't want to explain, because all the index behave like that only. So nothing is there to explain for you guys right now. Okay guys, this will act as a resistance, so I will just shift this down little bit, so just let it be. Otherwise I will, okay, just let it be. Okay guys, if it will break and came, then our first target will be somewhere here guys, our second, our third target guys. These are the three targets for Russell 3000 in upside. If it will take resistance, our first target, second, and third target guys. These are the three targets. Okay guys, in SPX also like that only. You can see here also, I have told you also in previous also, it will act as resistance. Here came taken resistance, here came act as resistance and gap down. After that you can see here. So I have already told you that this will be act as a major resistance area. Here only you have to extend. You can see the very nice trend. Okay guys, right now we can see the analysis of SPX. So what we have to do is, you can see here. Okay guys, just I will somewhere here only. Okay guys, you can see here, just shifted upside momentum. So we have to see is that if it will open a slightly gap up, then our first target will be here guys, second, and our third and fourth target. Okay guys, we can see here, if it will take resistance, our first target will be small, second, third, and our fourth target is. Okay guys, we can see next is some stocks is like Tesla. Okay guys, in Tesla and other all the things I have told you that this will be act as a resistance. Okay guys, in upside momentum also I am showing you is that it has been behaved very nicely. You can go and check out our analysis too guys. Okay guys, after that one-sided momentum, you can see here it has to fill. Always remember that, always it has to fill its gap. It came downside and filled its gap. Okay guys, you can see here up till here it filled, here came, so it fills its own gap. Here also gap down open, filled its gap and consolidated and closed. Okay guys, after that here also you can see that exactly here only acting as a supporting and resistance, support taken, broke, here only exactly taken resistance. You can see that once again it taken resistance, once again it came upside momentum, so taking support. Right now it acting as a resistance for us. Okay guys, so we can see here if today also it will break somewhere here. Our first target will be here guys, second, third, and this will be the fourth target. Okay guys, in flow only if it will break, then it has to break. Just a second, it went wrong. So it has to break this point. Okay guys, after that only you can go for first, second and third target. In upside momentum also we can talk is that if it will take support somewhere here and came support, our first target, second and our third target. Okay guys, you can see here, we can see the Microsoft also. In Microsoft also you can see that double top has been made, and after that only it came downside momentum. You can see that one-sided momentum here also taken support. You can see here you have been seen first time tried, second time, third time definitely broken. You can see here this is the one of the nicest place right now. Okay guys, you can see here it exactly what we have made, exactly taken resistance, came downside once again. It exactly act as a support also, in previous act as resistance, here it act as support. So we have got very nice trade also in Microsoft also. So right now we can see here if it will break or gap up open, our first target, second, third target. Okay guys, if it will goes and take a resistance once again, our first target, second and our third target will be here. Okay guys, we can see for Apple also. In Apple also you can see here it, I have told you it will act as support and resistance area, so let it be because it will be complicates you. So what we have to see is that today's is this will act as a, no, just a second, it became a wrong, so we have to draw it once again here. Okay, this will act as a resistance. Okay guys, so if it will take resistance, our first target, second, third and fourth target in downside. Okay guys, in upside momentum also we can see here is that, can see our first target, our second target, third and our fourth target. Okay guys, this is the Apple stock analysis. We can go for all the analysis has been done guys in Tesla, Apple and Microsoft, and also all the major index. If you like this video guys, go and check out all the analysis guys. There I have told you so many points about the trading, and also there is so much learning for you guys. So if you like this video, share with your friends and families guys. Thank you for watching guys.